Hello everyone, in this video we will see about Amul, the taste of India. Amul to invest 1500 crore in 2 years to set up dairy, edible oil, bakery, potato processing plants. So let's see that processing capacity is to increase to 420 lakh liters per day from the current 380 lakh liters per day. So GCMFF, which markets dairy product under the Amul brand, will invest around 1000 crore over the next 2 years to set up milk processing plants and another 500 crore on facilities for new products like edible oil. Its MD RS Shodhi said in an interview with Mr. Shodhi said the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited expects 12 to 15% growth in revenue in current fiscal year from 38,550 crore during the last fiscal year, despite COVID-19 pandemic, as demand for branded food production increased. We will invest around 1000 crore in the next 2 years on setting up dairy plants across various states. He said the processing capacity would increase to 420 lakh liters per day to the current 380 lakh liters per day. On new business, Mr. Shodhi said the cooperative has started manufacturing sweets as well as bakery items using dairy fats. So besides, he said that GCMFF has forayed into edible oil and potato processing segments as part of its objective to boost income of farmers from Gujarat and other states. The edible oils will be marketed under the brand Janmai. It will produce groundnut oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil and soybean oil. We already have few plans for edible oil, bakery and potato processing. We will invest 400 crore on setting up more plants in these new business areas. Asked about sales during the pandemic, he said sales of dairy products, milk, butter, milk, paneer, ghee were 15% higher during April-August as compared with the year-ago period, driven by rising household consumption of branded food products. However, he said ice cream sales declined. Marriage ceremonies contributed a lot to ice cream sales, so ice cream sales just declined. Mr. Shodhi noted that household consumption of milk and other dairy products has risen, compensating loss of sales caused by closure of hotels, restaurants and cafeterias. Amul sells 140 lakh liters fresh milk per day, mainly in Gujarat, Delhi NCR and Uttar Pradesh. Dairy products are sold across the country. तो जो अमूल द टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया है वो अपना बिज़नेस बढ़ाना चाह रहा है नहीं कि बढ़ाएगा। जो अभी जो प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है 380 लाख लीटर पर डे, वो बढ़ के 420 लाख लीटर पर डे हो जाएगा। ओके, और यहाँ पे जो बोला जा रहा है कि अमूल जो ब्रांड है वो इन्वेस्ट करेगा 1000 करोड़ रुपीज़ मिल्क प्रोसेसिंग प्लांट में और 500 करोड़ रुपीज़ न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स में, जैसे कि ऑयल हो गया, एडिबल ऑयल हो गया या फिर पोटैटो चिप्स, पोटैटो का कोई भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो गया, वो सब में 500 करोड़ इन्वेस्ट किया जाएगा। और जो गुजरात कोऑपरेटिव मिल्क फेडरेशन लिमिटेड है वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है कि उसका 12 से 15% ग्रोथ होगा। ओके, और यहाँ पे जो कहा जा रहा है कि कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक के वजह से जो ब्रांडेड प्रोडक्ट है, फूड आइटम्स है, वो बढ़ गया है। और लेकिन आइसक्रीम की सेल घट गई क्योंकि आइसक्रीम जो ज़्यादातर मैरिज सेरेमनी में किया जा रहा था वो